Okay, we're talking with Ryan Watkins. Hi, Ryan. How are you
Hi.
this morning?
Good. How are you?
Fine. And you're with There Now, empowering teachers to reflect on, analyze, and share practice. Can you tell us a little bit about what There Now is?
Yeah. So There Now is a video capture system based around improvement of students and teaching, as well as helping administrators to accomplish their tasks, saving them time for their observations.
So when I saw it, I thought, well, this would be great for coaching teachers
Correct.
on how to improve, especially first-year teachers, those ones that are all nervousio about doing everything. And I'm really interested in the mobile unit that you got. So can you kind of show that to us?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And you're correct. So one of the biggest uses for our system is coaching and mentoring, but also even pre-service teachers. So a lot of universities are joining into our program, using our online collaboration platform to provide feedback to student teachers where the professor can't always get out there.
Right. In Texas, we've got alternative certification programs all over the place. I can really see this working with the teachers there.
Yeah.
Okay.
At TCEA is it's used for as well.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Tell us what we got here. This is
So
cool.
the way our system works, this is our Inside Duo.
Okay.
And it's designed to be highly portable, very rugged, transfer it from school to school. So it's perfect for the coaching or mentoring scenario where they're going from maybe multiple schools throughout a day, visiting multiple teachers.
And so we're sitting on just a regular photo tripod.
Regular tripod.
Okay,
Yep.
and then we
so
can
we
actually
have-
see how small it is. I mean, it's not going to take up a whole lot of room here.
Yeah, and it all folds up into a nice little case so you can carry it around.
Okay.
And
So you got like two cameras.
Two cameras, so you capture two video angles. They can be positioned however you want. Use the viewfinder to determine whether you're going to see a panoramic type view or one on the classroom
Just
or one
the
on the teacher.
Working
exactly.
Okay.
So what happens is we capture, the teacher wears a lapel mic to capture high quality teacher audio. So you would
little Bluetooth thing or something?
Bluetooth,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
Teacher might put that on, position their cameras where they want. And the great thing about our system is it all runs off of essentially a one-touch system with our recording keys.
Okay.
So you insert the key.
This is like
As a
when
teacher.
they put the key in for the nuclear passcode, right?
Exactly.
In the movies. Okay.
Exactly. You'll see on the screen there'll be a couple of messages that show up that your recording is going to start. You'll get a countdown. It goes to our logo.
Okay.
And the screen will stay here. We'll say recording in process here in just a few minutes.
Okay.
And the screen stays here so that kids can't make faces and play around in the
Okay,
cameras.
so like the teacher can't actually see what they're doing.
Not once it's recorded, and that's by design actually. We've been involved in a lot of research projects across the country and from various universities and research institutions. And they found that if the screen stayed up, the kids played around in front of the cameras because they wanted to see themselves.
The old goofy faces thing.
Exactly.
Okay, so
what the next step, once your recording is completed, you have your 5-10 minutes, whatever it might be that you wanted to capture, the teacher simply pulls the key and the camera will automatically combine all of those audio and video files, compress them, and upload them to our platform.
So like here we can see the actual two different cameras right there. It's doing it now, or no? It's not.
It's not connected to the internet right now, or you would see a message right here that says processing files and then uploading files.
Is
Typically,
is it wireless? Do you have to have a?
Has to be hardwired.
Hardwired.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, and that's just for reliability. You don't want halfway through the processing and uploading to lose your wireless.
Okay.
Exactly. So about half the time of your recording, so for a 10-minute recording, it's going to take roughly 5 minutes to process and upload.
Okay.
Once it's uploaded, the teacher or coach will get an email saying that their video is able to be viewed. And then once that happens, they just log into our online platform and view that video.
Okay, so can we look at real quick what that looks like?
Absolutely.
Okay, so
Yeah,
we're
jump over here to the
walking
laptop.
over here. Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
Brandon's not doing anything, just kind of standing there. Okay.
Yeah.
So once we log on to the platform, what happens?
So we log into the platform, you're going to end up with a... We jump back out here real quick. So our standard page here. You click into observations, and you will see... Let's try to get some of that glare off.
We got lots of lights in this place.
Yeah.
Today.
And so you'll see a whole library of videos.
Okay.
You can search
So
for a particular
is
video.
it default the latest ones on top? Is that
Correct.
Okay.
Latest ones are on top. So you might search for your lesson that was regarding math or whatever it might be.
Can you limit who sees what video?
Absolutely.
Okay,
So
so
only the person with the recording key can see the video. So whether that's an individual teacher or the coach, They're the only ones who can see it initially.
Okay.
Until you come into your video, click on details, enter in any context you might need to make it searchable later, and then through our sharing tab, you can share with an individual user. So that might be your coach back, or the coach back to the teacher, or the teacher to the coach.
Okay.
It might be to your administrator. It might be for a peer review, sharing the lesson plans. You can attach supporting documents, so you can attach your lesson plans, whatever it might be.
Okay.
And so as a teacher, somebody else on your team might want to see how you taught a particular lesson.
Okay, what's it look
and
like
you
when we
just share
pop
that.
one up? Let's see what it looks
Yep.
like.
So as you hit review, then you'll see our streaming player here. And so you see the two camera angles, one on the teacher, one on the students.
Right.
And then you're able to make time-stamped video, audio, or text-based comments.
Okay.
And as you make a comment, so you might make a comment of great interaction. And then when I hit enter and add public comment, oops, without highlighting, you can see there the comment is placed and it's timestamped. So as I go back up, you can also turn off the scrolling if you'd like. As I click on that comment, hang on.
Okay.
It's scrolling too fast for me. We have too many comments.
So does it work on any platform because it's all web-based?
It's all web-based,
okay, so
yeah. So I click on my timestamp there, it takes me back to the moment where I made that
work
comment.
on an iPad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Any web browser.
Okay.
We're working on an iPad actual app
Wow.
integration. It's just not done yet, but
Okay, so this is great for administrators, it's for coaches, for teachers trying to improve their own techniques.
what we really find a lot, especially for teachers, because teachers, it's new, right? And not everyone likes to see themselves recorded.
Everybody's going to be like all freaking out about
Exactly.
that, right?
So we want to make sure teachers feel comfortable with having control of the system through the key. And what we really found is teachers seeing themselves, the self-reflection, is as valuable oftentimes as the coaching aspect.
Okay, so let's talk just about the portable unit, because that, to me, that's much more interesting because you can use it all over the place.
Sure.
What's the cost involved?
The cost of that is $3,500. Comes with 5 user licenses, so 5 people with the ability to record and upload.
Okay, but I can record an unlimited number of people, right? So like that'd be 5 principals recording 35 teachers or however
Right,
many
yeah.
teachers.
And but just keep in mind that those videos that are recorded go to that user accounts.
Okay. So I could see like
account.
actually 5 administrators, that's a high school, you know, that's like so 1 principal and all the assistant principals that go with it. Okay.
Right. So
$3,500.
Yep.
And that's a one-time fee, and then
it is. And then a renewal, you renew the software license every year.
because you guys host the videos.
We host the videos, we have the streaming. So really we're covering the cost of the bandwidth and the hosting. We want to make sure that it's feasible, ongoing, so it fits in. So those 5 licenses would renew every year for $750.
All right, so if somebody's interested in There Now, who do they get a hold of?
Give me a call, Ryan Watkins, and phone number is 801-589-6356, or email me at Ryan, R-Y-A-N, at therenow, THERENOW.net.
Okay, Ryan.
And hold the business card up if you want
okay,
to.
let's see if that works.
That might help for you
There you
guys.
go, Ryan Watkins.
Take a screenshot.
There you go. You're famous.
Perfect.
All right, Ryan, thanks for talking to us this morning.
Thank you.
Have a great TCEA.
Thank you.